We're back at 7 with a non-surgical way to turn back the hands of time. We're joined by facial plastic surgeon Dr. Paul Stanislaw from Avon, whose office is hosting an evening of beauty tonight, and his patient, Mary Quintiliani, who had a procedure that revitalized her life. Thank you both so much for being with us tonight.
Thank you.
First of all, Dr. Paul, can you just tell us about the evening of beauty tonight?
Evening of Beauty is it's a free event, and it's an educational, essentially a seminar where we have all these different companies that are really on the cutting edge of new technology for skincare, for protecting skin from sun damage, and also non-surgical products for improving your facial rejuvenation.
Well, coming out of summer, really, we all need to be thinking about the sun damage, and if we didn't, wear SPF all summer long like we all should be doing, you have some great products that we should be checking out.
What's interesting is that people come to me all the time and say, well, I like to get sun and I like to tan, but the problem is that facial rejuvenation and sun protection go hand in hand. If you're not good about taking care of your skin and protecting it from the sun's going to overpower everything we do. So you really have to be good about wearing your sunblock, wearing it every day, and that is sort of really the cornerstone.
Now, what procedures seem to be most popular these days?
Really, the non-surgical procedures are becoming huge. To try to get someone to take 2 weeks off for a procedure or something like that is getting very hard to do these days, especially with the job situation and everything. So people are really more into the non-surgical rejuvenation procedures like facials, microdermabrasions, chemical peels, injectable fillers, and what Mary had was the liquid facelift, which is
Now, Mary, you had Sculptra done. Tell me why you chose that procedure.
Because it's long-term. Lasts longer, and it builds up your collagen. I thought that sounded like it would work.
And we have some before and after pictures I think we can pop up here for you.
Yes,
there we go.
We do.
Now, when did you have the procedure done?
I had it done about 8 months ago.
8 months ago.
8 months ago.
Is it just a one-time
No,
procedure?
it's every...
It's a series of injections that are every 2 months, essentially, until you get to the end point where you're happy.
Okay, all right. And just so our viewers at home can figure out, about how much is each procedure?
It depends on how much volume that you have. I mean, really what is determined is how many treatments that you need, because someone who's maybe in their 40s, they have a lot less volume loss. You can replace them with fewer injections. If you have someone who's in their 60s or late 70s, it might take 4 or 5 treatments. So usually it's around, it can range from anywhere from $750 to $1,500 per treatment. Okay,
now Mary, really quickly, you look great. Tell us what the response has been like from family and friends.
It's an excellent response. Very like, you look great, you don't tired, you're holding well, and yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And I am in the beauty business, and that's very important.
Right.
To, maintain a level of, beauty.
Right. All right, so the evening of beauty is tonight. It is in Avon. It starts at 6:30, and there's going to be a lot of other refreshments.
There's actually, what's really exciting is there's $5,000 worth of raffles and free products.
All right. Thank you both so much for being with us.
All right, thank you.
Logan, what is going on with Facebook?
Well,